Hello student, how are you? Very good morning. Hope all are well. Today's topic will taken from CBSE pattern grade 8 to 10th. Here only discuss about structure of stem. We already know about stem. Here this session we will discuss about stem. This is a very interesting and important topic for grade 8 to 10th. Okay, so let's start. This channel is only based on understand concept and you can see on your screen. So this is Amita and let's start without any wasting time. So cambium, this is a diagram of stem structure showing on your screen. This is a very clearly diagram. Show here. This line is show cambium, and here this is a green line you can see on your screen. This is the epidermis, and this is vascular bundle. You can see this is a vascular bundle, this is a pith, this is a cortex, this is a phloem, and this is a xylem. Okay, this is a phloem, and this pink light bundle you can see on your screen. This is a pink color showing on your screen here. This is a xylem. So let's start and discuss about stem of structure of stem structure. Cambium cell make a new xylem and new phloem as the plant grow. Okay, what is the function of cambium cell? You can see on your screen. This is a cambium. Okay, cambium found in stem. Okay, and cambium cells make a new xylem. The main characteristic of cambium cell make a new xylem and new phloem as the plant grow. Okay, when plant grow gradually, then cambium cell make a new xylem and phloem when plant grow. Okay, and next, so here this is a green like structure, epidermis. Okay, epidermis is a single layer of cell on the outside of the stem. Okay, how can define epidermis in stem structure? Epidermis is a single layer. You can see on your screen, this is a single layer. Okay, you know that this is a single layer of cell that outside of the stem, which protects the stem and cut down water loss. Okay, and cut down water loss. So this is the epidermis. The main characteristic of epidermis is the outer covering of single layer cell. Okay, and which protects the stem and cut down water loss. Epidermis protects the stem and cut down the water loss. Okay, the function of epidermis protect the stem and cut down the water loss. Cambium cell make a new xylem and new phloem as the plant grow. And epidermis is a single layer of cells on the outside of the stem which protects the stem and cut down water loss. And third, vascular bundle. This is showing on your screen. This is a bundle wise structure you can see on your screen. This is like a flower petals here. You can see this is a vascular bundle. Vascular bundle is made up of phloem, cambium, and xylem. Okay, you know that. Keep in mind. How can define vascular bundle and how can make in the plant stem? Vascular bundle is a made up of phloem, cambium, and xylem. Okay, and next part, this is a green structure, cortex, and this white part showing here pith and phloem. This is a green. Phloem carries dissolved food and hormones around the plants. Okay, the phloem tissue carries dissolved food. The function of phloem carries dissolved food and hormones around the plants. And next we will come about xylem. This is a pink like structure and bundle like show here on your screen. This is a stem structure diagram, you can see this is a xylem. Xylem carries water and minerals salt up to the leaves. Okay, xylem carries water and mineral salt up to the leaves, and phloem carries dissolved food. Xylem and phloem different function found in the stem. Phloem carries dissolved food and hormones around the plant. Okay, and xylem carries water and minerals salt up to the leaves. This is the structure of stem. This topic is very important and important topic. This is a very important topic for all competitive exam and grade 10th 8 to 10. So very interesting topic and very important question, structure of stem. So the five things keep in mind. This is a structure of stem. Outer covering epidermis is a single layer of cell on the outside of the stem which protects the stem and cut down water loss. Okay, epidermis is a single layer of cell on the outside of the stem which protects the stem and cuts down the water loss, and cambium cell make a new xylem and phloem when phloem as the plant grow. And third point, vascular bundle is made up of phloem, xylem and cambium, and cortex and pith, and phloem carries dissolved food. Phloem carries dissolved food and hormones around the plants. Xylem carries water and mineral salt up to the leaves. So we will end this video here. I will request to all, please subscribe, like and more share, and press that button for hit button and for next notification of this series. So this is a very interesting topic and we will end this here. And this channel only based on understand and CBSC RBSC pattern. So you all are get knowledge and receive and absorb these very important facts with this channel. So take care. Goodbye. Thank you.